be blessed by the divine. Is Kundalini energy the highest of all? Is there any deeper energy than this? Dear friend, Kundalini energy is the highest energy known in the Siddha world, in the saintly world. From the past centuries, it has been told to us that the Kundalini energy is the most powerful energy known in the spiritual side of human beings. It is this Kundalini energy that powers our body, powers our mind. It supplies a huge amount of biomagnetic energy that powers each and every cell in the body, that powers our brain and therefore our mind. There is no deeper energy than this known to human beings in the physical realm, in the spiritual realm. But where did this energy really come from? There is biomagnetic energy, or the Jiva Atma, life energy, which is present in all life form. It is present in the human body also. But where did this energy come from? This energy essentially came from the universal magnetic field. The universe is a magnificent net connecting all forms of celestial bodies and celestial beings. And this magnificent net functions with pattern, precision and regularity, governing the functioning of the entire universe. And here it is the Parama Atma, or the universal energy field. And it is this energy field that has taken a microcosmic existence in the life forms, in the human form, and powering itself in this fractional state, in this fractional being, in this fractional consciousness. We have limited powers, but that limited powers is sufficient enough for us to attain mukti, or salvation, or self-realization. And it is only possible by observing this life energy's pulsation at various chakras and going to the subtlest levels of the frequency, away from the emotional beta to the calm alpha, to a deeper theta and the deepest delta frequency. Only in the delta frequency can we begin to see the existence of the entire universe as a single energy field, and beyond that, the primordial state, the static state, the unified field as the almighty force. And this is indeed possible in your lifetime. With some amount of practice, you can certainly begin to see this state of oneness and become one with this universal force and remain one with this Adi. Therefore, this state of becoming one with that origin is the ultimate destiny, attaining Samadhi. Samadhi is indeed possible through this most powerful energy known in the spiritual world, Kundalini energy. Be blessed by the divine.